What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping into the Fergies, Little Bird, and acoustic version. Let's jump in. Let's check it out together. Let's see what we got. If you enjoy it, get over, show the Fergies all the love in the world. You already know that we love them. Let's see what we got.
Fly with me far from this room. Little bird fell in love, she fell in love, I fell in love. Fall, winter, summer, spring. Little larks are listening to little birds' lullaby. Someday soon you'll learn to fly. Through your window you and me. Little bird, I'll set you free. Little bird's lullaby. House no cage will stop me, fly to you.
They sing, they got beautiful fairy voices. Amazing, amazing, amazing together. Seriously, this just kind of does something to your brain. It's so sweet and soft.
I'll give you wings. Do you know how a little bird sings when she falls from a tree? Little bird one day escapes, lost the key, open cage. Little bird flew out the door. Little lark she searched for. Little bird is tuned she sings in her treetop waiting. Little bird fell apart. Little lark broke her heart. Fall, winter, summer, spring. Little birds are waiting. Little birds lullaby. Someday soon you'll learn to fly. Through your window you and me. Little bird, I'll set you free. Little bird
Storytellers.
House no cage will stop me, fly to you. I'll give you wings. Do you know how a little bird sings when she falls? Rain, rain, go away. Come again. Little bird cries all alone. Beneath a tree, a river flows. Looks below to her surprise. Face she barely recognized. The bird she waited for was her reflection in the water.
That is beautiful.
Little bird's lullaby. Someday soon you'll learn to fly. Through your window you and me. Little bird, I'll set you free. Little bird's lullaby. House no cage will stop me, fly to you. I'll give you wings. Do you know how a little bird sings when she falls? Do you know how a little bird sings when she falls? Now you know how a little bird sings when she falls from a tree. Little bird sings her song in her treetop all day long. Little bird caught the eye of a little white dove who heard her cry.
Hey, absolutely beautiful, 100%. There's some takeaway from that. There is definitely some takeaway. She had to see that what she was looking for herself. She had to put some value on herself first. She had to love herself, and then what happens in the end? Love comes along. Start there. If you haven't promised to learn to love yourself just the way you are, exactly how you sit right now. Find other good things about yourself. That's going to lead to other good things. The second that you put some value in your life, the rest of the world has no option but to value you the same way. I'm just saying it. It's totally true. Get over, show the Fergies all the love in the world for this beautiful. It was like a lullaby, but sweet and beautiful, and it was just took you on a journey. Absolutely stellar vocals. I love everything about it. Get over, show them all the love in the world. We're already subbed up. We've already smashed the like button. Hit the like button here if you liked it. The dislike button, but I won't believe me. Tell the next one of mine, the Combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe, but love you to the moon and back. Peace.